Okay. Hi, I'm Jordan, and this is the first quarter portfolio reading. This is evidence of an independent reading right here. Graphic novel historic, 1941. This took place in 1941. Gaijin is a kid who part China. Part China. He and his dad were separated. Gaijin thinks that his dad is in Pearl Harbor. They took him in camp, and they took him in camp because he thought people thought that they were stalking them and kids bullying him. This is my second book, Wangari Maathai biography. It's about this little girl in 1940s. She lived in a little village called Enteri, and her name is Wangari and stuff. She was popular, she loved nature and all that stuff, and she gave this huge present to her mom. It's about this huge tree. This is my third book, The Killing Joke. It's pretty badass, the graphics. Joker tells the Joker tells the killing joke at the end of Batman reaches out and breaks his neck. That was like the most, part of it. Damn, like not cool, not cool. That was pretty badass too. Um, my favorite part was when Batman comes and try to attack him, and then the Joker has his back this flashback about him. It was about to kill him. That was the most. That was my favorite part. And then I think, come on, damn, it doesn't work. Well, yeah, and this is about this Persepolis graphic. It's about this girl who has this king, lives with the parents, but the king is really bad. He keeps killing lots of innocent people. Her parents disagree with the kings, and they are in great danger. Like this happened, like in Indian, and the king, they try to kill the king so they can have a president instead. And I think my grade should be a B minus or a B. Thank you. Yeah.